Doesn't that go quick though?
Oh, it's unreal.
I should have. No, she comes home, but she's home about 1:30. Grandson's home. Hang out.
Yeah,
Better get them a glass of wine or something.
Yeah, put the liquor in.
Put the liquor to them. Liquor's quicker.
yeah.
Book time.
Hurry up!
Book time. Beautiful. Ask Scotty if it's a good sunset. Ask him. Ask him. What do you? Ask Scotty what he thinks about the sunset.
I love it.
That sun was a lot higher when you drove in.
This is it. This is the peak of the summer right here. It's all downhill from here on.
Oh yeah.
Don't say that.
Oh,
It is. I hate to tell you that.
We got
this is
another
it. You don't have I don't think you have another one in you. You don't.
Well, that was. Okay,
Yeah, but that was
You
fun.
need a glass of wine.
I'm glad I went.
yeah, I think I do.
Tree? How big is that? What is it? What kind of tree?
Contaba or Kanda, I don't know.
Where are they going to put it?
In the middle of that,
Island.
that new flower garden he built on the back side of the ground.
Did he want it or did she want it?
Hey, Dodger.
Hi, Georgia.
They got here about 3 o'clock and they've been in kayaks and swimming and they just ate. Are you guys hungry? I think, Chris, did you say we have some in the...
Yeah, we got some in there.
Potatoes, beautiful. It's self-brushed wine.
Open
You've
whatever's
had a
in
rough,
there.
long day.
You're gonna miss that sunset, though, aren't they, Bob?
Hey, it ain't down yet.
She's gonna go quick.
Eye the tiger. You heard that a few times, didn't you?
I don't like it.
Huh?
I don't like it.
Oh, that's our favorite song.